Hi, today in the session we are going to draw the part drawing of square headed bolt. The square headed bolt, this section was square with the dimension 19.1. Okay, open a new file, part drawing, select front plane. So now choose center rectangle. Okay. If you want a square, we can choose these two lines and make it equal. Sorry, choose these two lines we can choose these two lines and make it equal, so it will be square. So it was 19.1. if we choose, it will also 19.1. Now we have to extrude it. To finish the sketch, extrude wash, thickness was 6.4. now done. Now we have done extrusion, and then we have to draw this cylinder which dimension was 10 diameter hole, so this should be also 10 diameter. Okay, make it normal, draw, so 10 diameter. Now extrusion was 76.2. 76.2. Okay, yes, extrusion done. Now we have to do this chamber here, so choose fillet angle chamber, choose this line, and so here chamber is done. Next we want to we can do on a thread, that is an hectic process, but for this evaluation purpose we can have appearance for this thread. So we need to split this surface and this surface. Now see how can we split it. So center plane is top plane, make it normal, and draw a sketch here, draw a horizontal line. Okay, and distance was 25. Now go to features, curves, split line, and make it as projection here. The sketch was chosen as current sketch, and the surface to split, here you can see surfaces to split is this surface finish. Okay, now you can see there are two surfaces, so I want to change the appearance of this surface here. In appearance, go to color, in the last you can see miscellaneous. In miscellaneous, see pattern. Under this pattern you can see screw that. Double click, you can get screw that here. Escape. Okay, Now we want to give some surface, sort of surface here. Okay, draw some line from this end point, draw a circle and make it as diameter 50. You can make this segment as 25. So the end point of the circle will be in the origin. Okay, and draw in another circle of diameter greater than the previous circle diameter. Okay, now draw a line here. Now trim the extra lines. You can see, and trim these lines also. Okay, finish the sketch. Okay. Now revolve the cut. Choose this sketch. Line of revolution was this. Okay, you can see that smooth surface here. Now square headed bolt power drawing was finished. Now save it. Now next was here nut and lock nut. Okay, new sketch, bolt drawing, front plane, sketch, and we need to draw a hexagon. This is hexagon. Make this line particular, and we need to give the radius can be given as 19.1. Okay, and the circle 10 diameter. That's it, and finish the sketch. Go for extruded bars. Midplane. It was 6.4. It is nut was 6.4 and lock nut was it is 9.5. First draw nut 9.5. Finish. I'm going to draw this thing here, that no sharp edges on the top surface. So choose the surface, perpendicular, sketch, sketch. Dimension was previous dimension 19.1. Okay, now go for extruder cut. Select the sketch, and here it was flip to side cut. we should give a degree here. Degree can be given as 60 degree. Okay. Now we can see that soft edges here, and we can give a chamber here for the surface. Okay. Now we can mirror it. Mirror plane was front plane, right? Front plane faces to mirror were this. Now we can give features to mirror constructor and chamber. Now we can have chamber here. Okay, this is not. Now we have to save as lock nut. And we need to simply change the extrude length to 6.4. Okay, that's it. Now save it. Next we'll be seeing assembly. Now we are going to assemble that for drawing. There are 3 modules. Now we have to select assembly module. Okay. Now select the body and open it here. Okay. Now body is inserted. Next one, lower brass. For easy modeling we have to enable this line, which is known as view temporary axis. We must enable this line. Now we can see that axis is passing through the circles. Now it can be done easily. Now we have to give the mating condition. For mating, assembling different parts, we need to have some mating conditions. Now we can see the 2 mating conditions. Select mate, and you have to give the conditions. This we have to select this axis. This axis is coinciding with this axis. So we want to flip it, so you can see cancel it. Mate, this axis is coinciding with this axis. Now we can flip it. here, right. Now this surface is parallel to the surface, it is parallel to the surface, and this surface is coinciding with the surface. That is done. Okay, easy. This is, we can check it whether it is assembled correct or not. Yes, it is assembled correct. Okay. Next, insert another component, upper brass. Similarly, we have to give mating condition axis. Okay, and then the surface must be parallel to the surface. Now it is done. Okay, next, insert cap. Similarly, we can give mating addition. This axis must be coinciding with this axis. And the surface must be coinciding with the surface. And this surface must be parallel to the surface. That's it. Now we can check section addition. Yeah, now it is okay. Okay. Insert next component. Bolt, square headed bolt. Similarly, mating addition gave this axis must be coinciding with this axis. We can change the alignment, reverse alignment, like this. Okay. Next, we need to make this face must be parallel to this face. Then this face must be coinciding with this face. Done. Now square headed bolt was assembled. Next thing, we have to insert nut and then lock nut. Within condition, this axis must be coinciding with the axis, and then this surface must be coinciding with the surface. Now we can also make for some arrangement. This surface must be parallel to the surface. Next is lock nut. Insert lock nut. Make it. This axis must be coinciding with this axis. Where it is somewhere here. Now make this surface must be parallel to the surface, and this surface must be parallel to the surface, and this surface must be parallel to this surface. Okay, now it is done. Next we need to mirror nut, lock nut and square headed bolt. So yes, from mirror component there is a mirror component. We need to select mirror. For that we need to select the center plane in body. So choose central plane in body is right plane is a center plane. You can see right plane is a center plane, and component to mirror are nut, lock nut and bolt. So we can see it got mirrored. Now we can see the cut section. It is okay. Next we will be seeing the drawing. Now we are going to draw that assembly model in drawing sheet. In that we can choose A3 or 4. Generally choose A3. In printout we can take A4. Okay, A3 sheet, it was a standard sheet site. Otherwise we can give custom sheet sites. It is your wish. I am giving A3 ISO standard. Okay. In the model view, either we can cancel it, and from the model view we can browse. It will be Plummer. We have to select the assembly model. Now there are different models. This is, you can select preview here. I want this front view, this is top view, this is bottom view. Now I am selecting here this is front view here. And similarly we can drag it so that we can get top view, and from here you can get side view, and from this you can get isometric view. If you want you can have. Now we should give cutout section, broken out section. For that, first draw the section where you want to cut it. I am drawing here. I want this section to be broken out. So draw the sketch is drawn. Go to broken out section. Touching OK. And the depth should be, select this in a circle. Always select the section or sketch which is near the center. We can have a preview how it will be. Okay, it is great. Before preview it's been great, right? Okay. Plus I just want to give some more information in sketching. You can double click it, you'll get this menu, and material scratch out. You can have number of lines, or you can see the number of lines increased. I wanted to change in degree to 10 degree. You can see change degree. and I want this section also to be till sketch 3. Okay, and this thing also to be changed, and this thing not drawing this hatching. Similarly this also. Now the dimension should be given here. Go to annotation, that will be a small dimension, and you should give dimension. Dimension is must, you should give all those dimensions like this dimension. Sure, this dimension. Okay, and then this radius, and then what? This radius. Likewise, diameter. This dimension. And we can give a note here. Drag it, and you can give your name. Okay. Then you can increase the size. Okay. That's it. Go. You can give this name. So in exam we should give register number and whether it is a plumber block or something. Heading of this exercise. Now we should save this in PDF. You can see as a portable document. You should save that drawing in PDF format. Then you can see that here in PDF document here. Yes, now it has been finished assembly of plumber block. We will be seeing in the next session. Thank you.